Hey everybody, it's Courtney, Fiver Fox Studios, and today we are doing our Tuesday Tales from the Truck, and I have only a few things to show you. I've been very busy, and for all the mothers out there, fur babies, we're children, human children, happy Mother's Day. I know it's late, a couple days late, but had that going on this weekend. I did do some filming and release some more tutorials, one being for the first thing I want to show you guys, which is the not Borelo, as I kept calling it in the tutorial. It's a Bolero. I was mortified. I knew when I was saying it in the tutorial that I just felt like something was wrong, but for whatever reason I stuck with it. And did not realize it until I had already uploaded the video. It was completely off my phone and live, and then I'm like, oh, or I was about to make it live, and I'm like, oh no, I was saying that wrong. So listen to the video if nothing else, just for that good laugh. But I made the Bolero and I'm wearing it today, so that's the first thing I want to show. And you know, it's a Bolero, so it doesn't go down really far or anything like that. It's how it's supposed to be. So I tied mine. I made a little tie, and all I did was, like, you know, single crochet or chained. I chained, that's all. I didn't even single crochet back because this was all the yarn I had left. And so I made just a little chain, and I've just tied it just to kind of keep it in place. So I'll tilt a little bit so maybe I can show the side a little bit better. It comes down a decent, you know, amount in the back, but you know, I like it, so that worked out. Used up all that yarn that the Crochet Witch Heather gave me, so this color yarn, so that was awesome. So one of my coworkers has already had me do the full turnaround and everything, and she's like, oh yeah, I'm doing that one next. She's working on the Clarabella top right now, and she's gonna do this one next. So hopefully you guys like that. That's my show and tell. That's the sleeves. Hopefully you can see. So the next thing I want to show you guys is for those of you who don't watch the mosaics and all, but you do like to see that stuff. I am going to show you my swatch, which I'm actually turning into a scarf. So next winter, I'll either do a cowl or a scarf. I'm not really sure. I'm thinking a scarf because I'd like to use up that whole skein of yarn. And this is done with Red Heart stripes. Okay, so Red Heart Super Saver stripes. Get that right. In the color Parrot. I think that's the correct color. I'm positive. I love this one. So I've worked a little bit more since I did the tutorial on it. So I've come up a few more rows, but I haven't had a ton of time to crochet. So, you know, I've been bouncing between projects. So there's that. So I want to show you guys that. And then I have made a little more progress, just a little, on the netting that I showed you guys last week. This is going to be a little cardigan. And so you can, now it's kind of starting to relax out itself because of the way of the yarn. So you can kind of see it, I think, a little bit better. I don't really have to stretch it. And somebody was asking how am I doing my sides on this. So when, hopefully that will focus. So I'm doing triple crochets at the end, and I end up with like a chain 3 every other row. Hopefully that's showing. I don't know if it is, but hopefully it is. So that's how I'm doing that. But when it's stretched out, it's making a really nice, you know, straight edge for me. Now when it's relaxed, it kind of looks like a little bit not so much, but it's gonna work out perfect. So doing triple crochets and then chaining up 4 to start the next row. So I have 2 of them there at the end. So that's how I'm ending it, so that I have a nice even edge. So like if I want to put a border on this project, since it's going to be a short sleeve cardigan in kind of the kimono style, but more similar to, not as wide of an arm, more similar to the Clarabella is what I was going to say. But I'll be able to put an edge really easily, and it has a nice, you can leave it this way as well, because once it's all the way to the yarn, you know, for your panels and everything is done, it relaxes those edges, so you can just leave it like that and don't have to do an edge. But I will probably do an edge on mine, so that's why I'm doing it that way. So a few more rows and I will be able to move around to the front side and form just the front. It'll be open because it's a cardigan right here. So I'm going to come in from the arm to the neck basically on each side and leave it open, and then I'll be able to work down the rest. It's going to be super simple construction. So for those of you who are very worried about doing a garment, you've never done a garment before, this will be a very easy first one to do, promise. And there's not a bunch of sewing up stuff going to happen in this one because of the way that we're going to construct it. And it's something I haven't shown you guys before. So new construction method, once we get down so far anyway. You guys have seen the foundation ovals and all, but it's going to be very, very easy. So for those of you who are nervous about garments, this might be a good one for you to try. So I'm going to get this finished up and then work on sizing and stuff. So hopefully in the next week to 2 weeks tops, I will have the tutorial out. I'm shooting for next week, but you just never know. So working on that. And the last thing I want to show you guys, I had posted on my community page about a flash sale from Lion Brand, and I got just a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys the 2 colors that I got, and we're going to go over that real quick. So that's that box right there. So one moment, and we're going to open the box and get inside. Yay, yarn babies. So I got these 2 colors, and for those of you who missed that sale, this was their Lion Brand yarns, Just My Stripes. I've never had this before, so I didn't realize how cute and small the cakes were. They're kind of perfect for my storage issues that I have. So it was 4 for $10. So I liked 2 of the colors that they had. So that was the pink and orange one. And I'll take them out and like read you the label and stuff real quick. But here was the other one that I liked a lot. Turquoisey colors. So we're going to go ahead and pop this baby open and take a look. So let's see. You know, it's not super soft. It's not like Mandala Baby type soft, but it's not rough either. It's probably a little bit softer than Red Heart Super Saver, or right in line with it even possibly. So there's the first one. This color is called Berry Blue. And this yarn is a medium size 4 weight yarn, and the cake is 3 ounces, 85 grams, and it's 177 yards, 162 meters. It's machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic, and let's see, this is made in Turkey. So other one's going to be exactly the same. But I agree with that sizing on it. It's definitely a size 4. So when I got this, I was thinking, A, I don't need more yarn. I was thinking that. And B, I was thinking really good for a mosaic, because I am doing those, and I'm doing those weekly now. And it's like one of those things where, I don't know, I like the color transitioning yarn because you get lots of colors in there. And I don't know if it's showing up real well on camera, but there's, you know, good 4-5 tones in this one little ball. Looks really pretty. That's how this mosaic is working out the way it is because the yarn's doing the work for me. So it's doing its little color change on its own. So that's why I bought this. So that's that color. And let's see the other color. I'll just toss this back in the box. The other one is called, let's get this one out. This one's really pretty too. So this one is called Strawberry Banana. I like that one a lot too. Really, really pretty. And I don't buy a ton of pinks and oranges and yellows. So I did want to like go out of my comfort zone. I'm really happy that I did because I like this color a lot. So I'm super happy with it. Hopefully you guys got in on that sale. It's pretty good. These regularly retail for, I believe it was $4.99 is what it said. And I mean, if you can kind of see how small, you know, it's 177 yards. So It's a small little dainty cake. I like it. This will fit perfectly in that last little bit of space that I have. So that's it for today. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. As always, thank you so much for watching. And this tutorial for the Bolero is out on my channel right now. I'll link it down below for you guys. And let me know what you're working on. Let me know if you got in on this sale or any of the others. And if you guys know of a sale going on, like, feel free to like comment on my community page or something on one of my previous posts about sales and tell me what's going on and where to go, because I at least like to pretend shop, look for yarn. I don't always buy, but I usually pretend I'm gonna buy. So definitely interested in that. So thank you guys and have a good rest of your day. Bye for now.